Student, today we will read chapter 4, that is pollination. The main points of this chapter are: first, parts of a flower; second, types of flower; third, pollination; fourth, process of pollination; and the last one is ways of pollination. Flowers are colorful and attractive parts of a plant. It performs a very important function for the plant. Most of the plant produce different type of flowers having different colors and fragrance in different season. Plants produce flower to make seeds. Flower give rises to fruits and seeds. Seeds are inside the fruits. New plant grow from the seeds. At first we discuss point 1, parts of flower. There are 4 parts of flower. First, calyx; second, corolla; third, androecium; and the fourth one is gynoecium. At first we discuss calyx. It is the outermost wall of flower. It consists of set of green leaves like structure called sepals. Sepals protect the flower in the bud stage. There may be 5 or more sepals in a flower. Next, corolla. It is the second wall of flower. It is a set of brightly colored leaf-like structure called petals. Petals produce fragrance to attract insects toward the flower. These insects help in pollination. The third is androecium. This is the third wall of a flower. It is a collection of stamens. A stamen is a male reproductive part of a flower. Each stamen consists 2 parts. First, filament; second, anther. Here is the diagram. This is the diagram. Filament is a long stalk of the stamen, and this is anther. Anther present at the tip of filament. Anther produce dust-like particles called pollen grains. Pollen grains contain the male gametes. The fourth part of flower, that is gynoecium. This is the innermost wall of a flower. It is generally located at the center of a flower. It is a collection of female reproductive unit called pistil. Pistil consists 3 parts: stigma, style, and ovary. Here is the diagram. Stigma. It is at the top. It is the sticky parts of pistil. It receives pollen grains. Style. It is thin tube-like structure connect stigma to ovary. Ovary. It is the swollen base of pistil. It contains ovule. Ovule contain female gametes. After fertilization, ovary form the fruit and the ovules become the seed. The next point, that is type of flower. There are 2 types of flower. First, bisexual flower. Second, monosexual flower. In bisexual flower, in this type of flower, both stamen and pistils are present. Hibiscus and rose flower are the example of bisexual flower. The second one is monosexual flower that have either stamen or pistil are known as monosexual flower. For example, watermelon, pumpkin, cucumber, and papaya. The fourth point, that is process of pollination. Pollination, the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of flower is known as pollination. It is essential for the production of seed. Insect, animal, wind and water are the agent of pollination. In the process of pollination, the male and female gametes come in contact with each other for reproduction. There are two ways of pollination. First, self-pollination and second is cross-pollination. Transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or flower present on same plant is called self-pollination. Self-pollination can be seen in pea and orchids. The second one is cross-pollination, transfer of pollen grains from anther of a flower of one plant to the stigma of a flower of another plant is known as cross-pollination. Cross-pollination can be seen in nappies and tulips. So, student, read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.